Hi everyone, the problem is 27 square by 3 square. What is the value? First, once we factorize 27, we get 3 into 3 into 3 whole square by 3 square equal to 3 to the power cube whole squared by 3 square equal to 3 to the power 6 divided by 3 square. We express 3 to the power 6 minus 2 equal to 3 to the power 4. This is the answer.